Hello and welcome back to Ethan's Garage. Today we're in the Orange County Canyons and we have a Rivian over here that's out testing. Actually, I already have a video about one of these I spotted on the highway, but this one is out in the open, unmasked. Pretty cool. Let's go take a look. So a little bit awkward because these guys are in it, but pretty cool seeing this thing up close. Not bad. Pretty good looking truck. Take a picture of it too. It's making just the littlest hum. Pretty good looking truck. Let me know what you guys think of it.